Good morning, guys. How are you doing today?
Pretty good.
Good. Okay, I'm going to give you guys a worksheet. I want you guys to put it face down and leave it face down for me. And we are going to play a game, and it's called Quick Images, okay? So how it's going to work is I am going to show you a flashcard, and I'm going to give you 5 seconds to look at it. And I just want you guys to draw what you remember seeing on the flashcard after the 5 seconds, okay?
On this?
Yeah, so when I ask you to flip it over, there's going to be boxes and they're numbered 1 through 8. So one at a time, you'll just draw the image that I'm showing you, okay? Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Alrighty, we're going to start with the first one. I'm going to hold it up for 5 seconds, and then after you've looked at it for 5 seconds, you can flip your worksheet over and start drawing, okay? Okay, go ahead and write what you remember.
Flip it back over.
You can go ahead and leave it back up if you'd like. Did everybody get this on their worksheet? Yeah? So when you saw this image, what did you see? Is there any symbol or anything that you saw, or a way that you remembered?
A cross. I thought of a dice.
Thought of a dice? Yeah, I thought of a dice, and it kind of reminds me of an addition symbol as well, or like a cross. Are you guys ready for another one? Okay, so on the number 2 box, go ahead and draw what you can remember after these 5 seconds, okay? Okay, go ahead and draw what you can remember. Is this what you guys got?
Yes.
And then is there anything that you guys used to remember this when you drew it?
Like an oblong, like a circle, but a stretched circle, I thought.
Like a stretched circle? Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. Go on to the next one. Okay. 5 seconds. Go ahead and draw. Are you done?
Yeah.
Cool. Is this what you got?
Mm-hmm.
It is. Good job. And is there anything you used to remember this mentally? Does it remind you of anything?
A dog.
A dog?
What? I thought of a dog. I don't know why.
Where did you see the dog? Was it like the ear or something that you saw?
I don't know why I saw a dog.
Kind of reminds you of a dog? I can kind of see that. Maybe this is its head and this is its body or something.
Yeah, right.
Perfect.
Yeah, I just thought 2 squares.
2 squares?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright, we're going to go on to the next one. 5 seconds, okay? Go ahead and draw what you can remember.
Don't judge my stars.
You guys did an awesome job. Do these stars remind you of anything?
A flag, I thought.
A flag,
I just saw 2 lines.
2
stars.
lines. And just notice that there was 3 on the top
right.
and 4 on the bottom. Perfect. This kind of reminded me of like military stars when I saw it. Okay, so we're going to go on to the next one. You guys are halfway done. For this one, I'm going to give you 4 seconds, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, you ready? Okay, go ahead. You guys did great.
Yeah. I got miscounted, but it was good.
You did right. Yep, good job. Is there anything that this reminds you of symbol-wise?
For me, no. I just memorized it.
Just memorized it? Yeah. Perfect. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. You guys ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll give you guys 5 seconds for this one because it's a little bit tougher. Okay. Okay, go ahead and draw what you remember.
Oh, we're going fancy? I don't know. We're doing I'm just trying to do the symbol thing.
You guys are both artists.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good way of doing it.
Okay. Is this what you guys got?
Mm-hmm.
And how about this one? This is one of the trickier ones. Is there a way that you saw this that helped you remember it?
It's a sequence, 3, 2, 3, 2.
Yeah, that's what I do. Exactly same thing.
Same thing, sequenced it? Perfect. All right, we have 2 more. You guys ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 5 seconds. Okay. Don't judge me. Looks good. Alrighty, is this what you guys both got?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. How about this one? Did you guys see anything?
Kind of sequences again. 3, 3, 3. Next row.
Just
next
one
row,
over.
next row.
Good job. All right. Last one. Okay, I'm going to give you 6 seconds on this one because it's, in my opinion, the hardest, but you guys will probably do great. Does anyone need to take a second look?
No. Going for it. Oh, this is here. This is there. It's all one.
All right.
Oh, oops! I messed that up.
Oh, I did too.
It's on this side.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I did mess up.
It's actually exactly how I did it when I tried the first time as well.
Yeah. Oh, you know what? It's you can put it together.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, if you put them together, it'd be like a full puzzle piece. Huh?
Yeah, almost.
Almost, yeah. There's just one extra right here. That's true.
Got that wrong.
Well, it's okay. You guys are really good.
We both got the same one.
It's the last one for a reason, right?
Yep.
So if you guys don't mind both putting your names at the top of your worksheets and turning them into me. Perfect. Thank you. You guys did great. We're going to hang these on the walls later. Okay, so now we are going to play another mental game. This time we're going to test your guys' mental math. So I'm going to ask you guys a question, and you guys can actually use the back of this so you don't have to use another piece of paper, but I don't want you to draw anything or write anything on it right now, okay? So I'm just going to give you an addition question, and when you have the answer, go ahead and put your thumb on your chest like this, and we're going to remember to be quiet until everybody has their thumbs up, and then I will ask for you guys' answer, okay? Okay, so the addition question is 109 plus 342. Perfect. You guys both have that? Would anybody like to share what they got as an answer?
451.
Okay, 451, Mary. How about you, Alex? What did you get for your answer?
I got 351.
You got 351?
Wait, what was it?
It was 109 plus 342.
Okay, 451. Sorry, I thought it was
okay.
200.
Perfect. And then how did you guys work that out in your head mentally?
Just the, what was it, 42 plus 9 is 51, and then just add the 300 and the 100.
Plus 9 you said is 51?
Right.
And then you did...
300 plus 100.
Equals the 400, and then you just added...
Correct.
The 400 to the 51. Perfect. How about you, Alex? How
I'm
did
trying
you
to
get
think
that
how
answer?
it was. Can you remind me the numbers again? It was,
It's 109 and then 342.
So I rounded it to, what was it? 109, 110, and then I subtracted 1 from that. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So you added 110 to 342.
Yes, and then I subtracted 1.
And then you subtracted 1. No, you're doing great. So it looked something like this, 110 plus 342, and then you got 452 minus 1 in that? Perfect. So now that you guys have heard the question, is there another way that you guys think mentally that you guys might answer that question? Is there another way that you could solve it mentally These are both great, and you got the answer perfect. I'm just wondering if you guys have another strategy to answer that question.
Going with what she said, you know, you could round it to the nearest 10. So you can, what was it? It was 109. You can go like the 110. 110 plus the.
That's what she did.
Right, down there. Yeah, but like then 340.
And then take
and then subtract the 3. Right, or that way. Look, because it would have been 340. So that's 2 off.
So you would take.
Like rounding it off, that would be 460, right? 450.
You're confusing me.
You would take the 342 and then you would round it?
Round it down.
Round it down to 340?
Right, and then the 109 to 110.
And so you would add these together?
Right.
And then add 2? Or add 1?
Right, and then add the 1. Right, because... Okay.
And then why would you add the 1 instead?
Because you went up 1 and down 2.
Perfect. So that cancels each other out and you would get the 451. That's
right.
a great answer. Yeah. Is there any other way that you guys can think of to answer the question?
I don't know. I think that's kind of it for me, I would say.
Yeah, that's perfect. You guys are really, really good. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for doing this with me.
Anytime.
So what did you guys think of the process with doing mental math this way? Is there anything that stumped you or that you had a hard time with? Or was there something that you enjoyed that made it easier for you talking it out?
For me, I don't want to say I find it difficult talking things out, but I think like I've always been like a pencil and paper type of
More of a
person.
pencil and paper type
So
of
like
person?
just remembering the numbers, I don't know why, for some reason that just kind of kept throwing me off.
I think it's
doing
important
it in
to
your
know,
mind.
I think some people it helps learning those tricks. Like, you know, sometimes rounding it closer, like rounding it down. Like, I think sometimes for some people this really helps going down as long as you keep that straight.
Yeah, it is actually
quicker.
a mental strategy to take numbers and round them to their closest 10 family or 100 family, whichever you're working with. But some people do different things. Like some people memorize things like they're on number lines, and they can just jump by 10 families or 20 families, you know, and do it that way. Some people do it just the typical algorithm way where they stack the numbers on top of each other and then they just kind of work right to left.
The old-fashioned.
Yeah.
That's what my brain naturally started doing, and then I'm like, no, that's going to take me too long, so that's why I did the other thing.
Yeah, because it kind of can, especially when you're doing like 3-digit numbers in your head. It takes a little bit longer because you're carrying over more.